Okay, so this kind of problem of remainder, I'm not going to be able to do my models because my numbers are way too big and I don't have room to draw models. So we're going to use the standard division procedure. Okay, so it says Mr. Gregory has 573 rubber stamps and he wants to give an equal number to each of his 9 students. So he has 573 rubber stamps. And what does he want to do with them?
He wants to give an equal number to each of his students.
Okay, so he's going to give these 573 rubber bands to 9 students. Okay. If Mr. Gregory gives the same number of stamps to each student, question is, how many stamps will be left over? Okay, leftover tells me that I'm going to have a remainder. But before I can figure out my remainder, the first thing that I need to do is, what do I need to figure out first? I need to find how many stamps I'm going to give to one student or to each student. Before I can figure out the leftover, first of all, I need to know how many rubber stamps is each student receiving. So in my relationship table, I have rubber stamps in students. He has 573 rubber stamps for 9 students. First of all, I need to figure out how many rubber stamps each student is going to get. So my relationship starts with 1. Can I go from students to rubber stamps? No. So how do I go from 1 to 9? Times 9. Can I do the same with my question? No. So I come back, divided by 9. So what should I do with 573? Divided by 9. Okay. So to figure out how many stamps, first of all, how many stamps will each student receive, I need to divide the 573 rubber stamps divided by the 9 students he's going to give them to. Like we said, this is too big of a number to do a model, so what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to do the standard division. 9 divided by 573. So 9 is a 1-digit number, so I need 1 digit. Is 5 more or less than 9? Less, so I need to take an extra digit. 9 times what number is 57, or the closest thing to 57? 6 is? 9 times 6 is? 54. 7 minus 4? 3. 5 minus 5? 0. I'm going to bring down the next digit, 33. 9 times what number is 33, or the close thing to 33? Times 3 is? 9 times 3? 27. 3 minus 7, I need to regroup. 13 minus 7? 6. 2 minus 2? 0. So my remainder is 6. Okay, my answer is not 63 or 6, or my answer is not 63 with a remainder of 6. I need to, is one of them. I need to go back to the question. The question says, how many stamps will be left over? So it's 6. He will have 6 stamps left over. So in this problem, they were asking me only for the remainder.